Oh, there's been many times I've needed my community. I'm a mother of 6, but I had 4 children at the time. The father of my 4 older children committed suicide. Fortunately for myself, I do have my whānau, but I was also fortunate that I had my extended whānau from this community, which was my kapahaka whānau, who wrapped around us and had me for a whole year. Really, I was able to leave work just so I could focus on my kids. The youngest was 9 and my oldest son was 18. So I was able to not stand alone in a time when I felt like we were sinking, really, and I didn't know how to hold them up with my own 2 hands. It felt like I was going to fail my kids too if I didn't have the support that I did at the time. And that was my community, that was my kapahaka whānau, my tūranga wahine, tūranga tāne, which is a group that I was pretty much raised with from a teenager. The healing process was ugly. It wasn't, it wasn't glamorous at all, because I was dealing with 4, different people, really, my kids, and I actually had to get to know them individually again, because they all sort of lost themselves, when their father died. They lost themselves, they blamed each other, they blamed themselves, that they could have done something to save their dad, that we all could have done better to ensure that he didn't do what he did. We're out of the deep end, I suppose, but I think it's something that's always going to live with them, that they're always going to carry, and they're always going to come across a memory or be triggered by something that sets them back, and they have to check themselves again, or I have to check in with them, and it's about being aware of that too as a mother. And the hope for me is that they find some sort of mechanism, rongoa, that will cut that off, like so they don't have a whakapapa to whakamomori, because I don't want them to believe that that is their whakapapa now.